Have you ever dreamed of earning extra money without a regular job? Imagine making $100 a day from your home, using just your phone or computer. This is not a dream. It's something you can really do if you follow the right steps. In this video, I'll show you the best and easiest ways to make money online. These methods work for beginners and anyone who wants to start now. Let's get started. First, freelancing. If you can write, design, or edit videos, you can offer your skills on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Many people start with small jobs and grow to earn $100 or more each day. Next, online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks and Taluna will pay you for your opinions. It's not a lot of money, my friend, but it's an easy way to get started. Another great way is affiliate marketing. This means promoting products online and earning a commission for every sale. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, share links, and start earning. You can also sell digital products. Create things like ebooks, templates, or printables and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Once you make them, they can earn you money even while you sleep. Finally, online tutoring. If you are good at a subject, teach others through platforms like VIPKid or TutorMe. With just a few hours a day, you can make $100 or more. Pick one method, my friend, stay consistent, and watch your income grow over time. Start today and take your first step toward earning money online.